Let's look at this question. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. Line segment AEBD are drawn. We draw another regular hexagon GHIJKL. So let's look at this diagram now. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon, right? And line segment AE and BD are drawn. And then we have drawn another regular hexagon that is GHIJKL, where G is on AG and J is on BD. Both K, L are on DE. This is L, this is K. Line segment HL and IK are drawn. Same line are drawn inside this regular hexagon now, HL and IK. We draw another regular hexagon MNOPQ. MNOPQ, where O is on IK, R is on HL, both M and R on HI. What is the area of hexagon MNOPQR if length of AB is 8? Okay, so we are given the side of the larger hexagon, right? So this side AB is given at 8. If this side is 8, can you see the distance between these two lines, that is AE and BD? This distance would also be 8, right? Because this distance would be the perpendicular distance between these lines and it would be equal to 8. So the distance between point G and this point J, so I can write GJ is equal to 8 centimeters, right? And GJ, if you know, if you have a, let's say, a regular hexagon, and the when you join these 2 points, this is point G and this is point J, when you join these points, this is the longest diagonal of hexagon, right? So it is equal to 2 times the side of, it is equal to 2 times the side of regular hexagon. So this side GJ is equal to 8 centimeter. So I can say that it would be equal to 2 times the side of this regular hexagon. So the side of this regular hexagon, that is GHIJKL, it would be equal to 4 centimeter. So side of this hexagon, side of this regular hexagon is equal to 4 centimeters. Side would be equal to 4 centimeter because I know I can divide this hexagon into 6 equilateral triangles. So this would be a side of equilateral triangle. Also, this would be a side of equilateral triangle. So this is the longest diagonal, which is always equal to 2 times the side of a regular hexagon. Okay, now we have J is equal to 8. So the side of this regular hexagon is 4. Correct. So I can say this HI would be equal to 4 centimeters. If this is equal to 4 centimeters, can you say that this distance RO would also be equal to 4? This distance would also be equal to 4. If RO is equal to 4, this would be twice the distance of side of this regular hexagon. So the side of the this smallest regular hexagon would be equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeters. Or you can see, if we keep drawing regular hexagons in this way, side reduces by half, right? So it was 8 initially, then it became 4, then it became 2, right? So it is a pattern actually. Okay, so the side of this smallest regular hexagon, that is MNOPQR, is 2 centimeters. Now I can easily find this area. So area of regular hexagon is given as 6 into root 3 by 4 into a square, and that would be equal to 4. 4 get cancelled. We are left with 6 root 3. So correct answer has to be option C.